If you're looking to build an online community for your audience, course, or membership, Circle is one of the platforms you will come across. In this video, we'll quickly break down what Circle is, its key features, pricing, and whether it's worth it. What is Circle? Circle is an all-in-one community platform that lets creators, coaches, and businesses build private online spaces. You can create discussion forums, host courses, run events, and even manage memberships, all in one place. Key features. Circle offers several core features: community spaces for posts and discussions, live streaming and event hosting, course creation tools, direct messaging and engagement tools, integrations with tools like Zapier, Slack, and more. Everything is designed to keep your audience engaged in one central hub. Real world use cases. To understand Circle better, imagine you are a fitness coach. Instead of using separate tools for Zoom, email groups, and course platforms, you can bring everything into Circle. You can post weekly workout plans, host live training sessions, sell memberships access, let members interact and share progress. This makes it easier to build a loyal community because everything happens in one place. Pricing. Circle is a premium platform with plans starting at a relatively higher price compared to basic community tools. However, you get a lot of value if you are combining community, courses, and memberships in one place. Pros and cons. Pros: clean and modern interface, strong community building features, all in one platform. Cons: can be expensive for beginners, takes time to set up properly. Who is it for? Circle is best for creators, educators, and businesses who want to build a paid or private community with courses and events included. So, overall, Circle is a powerful tool if you are serious about building a community driven business. If you want a simple forum only, it might be more than you need. But for all in one community building, it's one of the best options available. And that's all for today's video. If you find this review helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.